How to change a site or load status in hive count. To change the status bar of a site or a load, we always use job cards. This allows us to record why the status has changed and also capture business inputs like time on site and the consumables used. To change the status, let's create a job card first by clicking the plus button. In MyApiary, we have job card templates. You can edit these templates to your liking or your company terminology. Here I'm going to select split hives. In our job card, we can see we have a list of templated jobs. To change the site status, there are 5 ways to change the hive count or the super count. We have audit tasks, so we have a hive audit or super audit. These allow you just to set a number. To record why the numbers have changed, we have multiple move hives in or supers in, or move hives out or supers out to adjust the hive numbers or the super numbers up and down. To indicate that you have done hive manipulations, we have tasks like hive splits or super up, where split is where you split a hive into 2 and the number you put in will increase the hive count by 1. And the super up indicates that we've put supers onto a hive. To reduce the hive and super counts, we have harvested supers and hives combined. These will reduce the hive and super counts. Now I'm going to select the red team to do the job. If we wish, we can also change the date of the job scheduled to, but I'm going to leave it for today. Now we fill in the job card. Here I selected hive split. I'm going to say this took us 1.5 hours to do the job. And we're going to make up some nukes. You can put in travel time as an optional category. I'm going to put 2 hours to get to the site. Right, as you can see, some of our tasks require inputs. Some of them require consumables, which is in the first column of type, or just a quantity. You can see our hive splits has a quantity option, for example. Right, as we do the tasks, we're going to tick the ones we've done. Right, I'm going to say we're going to make 8 nukes out of our hives. So I'm going to put in the number 8. And when making nukes, usually you'd resell them or requeen them at the same time. So I'm going to put mated queens into these. Again, I'm going to use 8. And with making nukes, it's always good practice to move them out. Or you could be making them to fill in holes. So I'm going to put in that we're going to move out 4 so you can see what happens to our apiary status bar. I'm going to skip over feeding, and if we wish we can add additional tasks like supering up, for example. This is going to place supers onto, let's say, 8 of our hives. When we're done with the job card, we select next. We can optionally fill in some observations. In this case, I'm just going to go next and fill in our apiary status report. You can see on this yard we had 16 hives. Now we have 22. So here I'm going to fill in our difference. So I'm going to say we made 8 nukes. So I'm going to put 8 in the nukes category. And you see that automatically translates to 8. But we also said that we moved 4 out. So we've only actually got 4 left on the site. So I'm going to adjust this down to 4. And now we can see the apiary status report balances, and I can hit complete.